In 1922, Howard Carter unveiled Tutankhamun's tomb, a treasure trove of gold. Amidst the glittering artifacts, one symbol dominated: the enigmatic Eye of Horus. For millennia, its meaning has been shrouded in myth and ancient lore. What if this 5,000-year-old emblem holds knowledge modern science is only now grasping? Ancient texts speak of a murdered god and hidden mathematical precision woven into its form. Could the ancients have encoded profound truths within this iconic image? Prepare for a shocking revelation from a neurosurgeon, connecting this symbol to the intricate workings of the human brain. This is the incredible true story of humanity's most mysterious and enduring ancient symbol, bridging worlds separated by time. Ancient Egypt, 3000 BCE, knew a golden age under Osiris, the wise pharaoh who brought order to the world. His benevolent reign fostered prosperity, revered by gods and mortals alike. Yet, dark envy festered in his brother, Seth. At a grand banquet, Osiris was tricked into a golden chest, which Seth sealed and cast into the Nile's depths. The cosmic balance was shattered. Still unsatisfied, Seth dismembered Osiris's body into 14 sacred pieces, scattering them across the vast lands of Egypt. But the goddess Isis, driven by unimaginable love, tirelessly sought every fragment. Through unwavering magic, Isis reassembled her beloved husband. In a fleeting moment, life returned, just long enough to conceive a son, Horus. This child, born of sorrow and hope, would one day rise, forever changing the destiny of gods and men. Born in secret, Horus was destined for vengeance, driven to avenge his father, Osiris. He faced Seth, the usurper, in a relentless struggle for Egypt's throne. Their epic battle raged for 80 arduous years. In a savage confrontation, Seth brutally tore out Horus's left eye, scattering its sacred fragments across the land. Yet, divine wisdom prevailed. Thoth, god of knowledge, meticulously gathered every piece. With unmatched precision, he reconstructed the shattered orb, restoring its sight and power. This reassembled eye became the Wedjat, the Eye of Horus. It stands as a potent, enduring symbol of healing, protection, and complete restoration in ancient Egyptian mythology. Step back to 1650 BCE. The Rhind mathematical papyrus reveals a startling truth. Ancient Egyptians ingeniously incorporated mathematics into their sacred symbols. This wasn't just mythology, it was a sophisticated system. Consider the Eye of Horus. Each part represented a fraction, crucial for measuring. The right side was 1 to 2, the pupil 1 to 4, the eyebrow 1 to 8, the left side 1/16, the tail 1 to 32, and the teardrop 1 to 64. Adding these fractions yields a curious total: 63/64. One tiny fraction, 1 to 64, remained elusive. Ancient theology says Thoth, god of wisdom, claimed it for restoring the eye's magic. Here, mathematics becomes narrative. The Eye of Horus proves how deeply interwoven science and spirituality were, revealing their profound intellect. This symbol is a stunning testament to an age where math was truly divine. Imagine a civilization where mathematics and mythology were inseparable. For over 2,500 years, ancient Egyptians used a unique system to measure life's most vital commodity: grain. Their unit, the Hekot, wasn't just arbitrary. It was intricately linked to the Eye of Horus. Each part of the Eye of Horus represented a specific fraction: 1/2, 1/4, 1/8, and so on, down to 1 to 64. This wasn't mere symbolism, it was a practical tool. Scribes and traders employed these fractions to divide grain accurately, ensuring fair exchanges across their vast empire. This sophisticated system, rooted in divine imagery, predates and outlasted many modern mathematical conventions. It's a testament to ancient ingenuity, demonstrating how a society could embed profound practical knowledge within its deepest spiritual beliefs. A true marvel of ancient engineering and faith. In 1991, neurosurgeon Dr. Mark Witcher, a passionate student of Egyptian hieroglyphics, made an astonishing observation. He noticed an impossible congruence. The revered Eye of Horus perfectly aligned with a cross-section of the human brain. The eyebrow mirrored the frontal lobe, the pupil corresponded to the thalamus, and the distinctive tail matched the hypothalamus. Each intricate part of the ancient symbol astonishingly corresponded to actual anatomical brain structures. This discovery presents a profound historical paradox. Conventional wisdom states the ancient Egyptians considered the brain a useless organ, often discarded during mummification. How then did they encode such detailed neurological knowledge into a sacred symbol? The mystery remains. The Edwin Smith Papyrus, dating back to 1600 BCE, stands as a monumental medical text from ancient Egypt. This remarkable document details 48 distinct surgical case studies, offering an unparalleled window into their sophisticated medical practices. Among its most profound observations are detailed descriptions of brain trauma. Ancient physicians meticulously documented skull fractures causing severe symptoms like speech impediments and walking disabilities, what we now recognize as aphasia and motor dysfunction. These insights were penned over 3,600 years ago. Their practical understanding of brain anatomy is further evidenced by mummification techniques, which involve the delicate removal of the brain through the nasal cavity. The question isn't whether they knew about the brain, but rather the true extent of their deep anatomical and physiological understanding. Ancient Egyptian priests were far more than spiritual leaders. They were unparalleled scholars, physicians, astronomers, mathematicians, and revered teachers, holding the very keys to civilization's advancements. Consider the enduring symbol of the Eye of Horus, etched into countless artifacts. Could this iconic image have been their most profound textbook, encoding knowledge beyond simple divine protection? Imagine a single symbol meticulously detailing complex brain anatomy, foundational fractional mathematics, and sacred principles. A universal teaching tool, easily replicated, memorized, and passed through generations. Symbols possess an enduring power, outliving words and crumbling papyrus. This was genius preservation, wisdom woven into the very fabric of their world, waiting to be deciphered by those trained to truly see. When Alexander the Great conquered Egypt in 332 BCE, a new intellectual era dawned. Greek scholars flocked to Alexandria, eagerly learning from the ancient wisdom of Egyptian priests. This cultural exchange ignited a profound diffusion of knowledge and symbols. Among these powerful symbols was the Eye of Horus. It journeyed far beyond the Nile, influencing Greek philosophy, mystical, medieval alchemy, and the profound scholarship of the Renaissance. Its significance transcended borders and centuries. Then, in 2019, archaeologists at Saqqara unearthed a poignant discovery. They found numerous Eye of Horus amulets, not in royal tombs, but in the graves of ordinary citizens. This wasn't about pharaohs, it was about common people, seeking healing and divine protection in their daily lives and beyond. 19 years old, and Tutankhamun lay entombed, his wrappings concealing 143 amulets. Among them, countless Eyes of Horus, symbols meant to protect his journey into the afterlife. Though these powerful emblems couldn't spare the young pharaoh, they outlasted his entire civilization. Today, we wear their likeness as jewelry, often unaware of the profound wisdom they truly embody. Within the Eye of Horus lies more than just an image. It's believed to represent a diagram of the human brain and a sophisticated mathematical code. The ancients intentionally omitted 1/64th of its total, a fraction Thoth, god of wisdom, was said to have withheld. Perhaps the true power, the magic, resides in these unresolved mysteries. 5 millennia later, the Eye of Horus endures, a silent, watchful testament to a civilization's deepest beliefs and the secrets they still hold. If the Eye of Horus amazed you, wait until you discover what the pyramid's measurements reveal about pi and the speed of light, thousands of years before modern mathematics. Subscribe so you don't miss it. History's greatest mysteries are waiting, and trust me, this is just the beginning. Hit that like button if ancient Egypt just got a whole lot more interesting.